Here's how to make the menu bar text bigger on your Mac. Now, at the very top, if you want that text to be larger so it's easier to read, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, all we're going to do is get into your settings. So at the top left, tap on the Apple icon, and then we'll go down until we get to System Settings and tap on that. Once you're in your settings, you're going to get to Accessibility. Right under General, tap on Accessibility. From here, you can see again, midway down is Display. So just tap on Display, and then we'll scroll down from here. Now you can see under text is menu bar size, which keep in mind, it doesn't actually change the size of the menu bar. It just changes the size of the text. You'll see by tapping on large, it switches it to a bit bigger. So default is this and large is this. Now, keep in mind, there is no option to make it even bigger or to make that text even bigger. For whatever reason, Apple decided to make it still fairly small. Unfortunately, there's no other option, even this text size here. If you make this a lot larger, it changes the text size you can see in the settings, but not on the menu bar. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.